How to recover your Roblox account without an email or password. This tutorial shows you how to get back into your account even if you've lost access to your login details. First, open your browser on your Android device and go to roblox.com. After that, tap on Login and then tap on Forgot Password or Username right below the login fields. From there, if you have access to the email linked to your account, enter it there and Roblox will send you a reset link. Right here. But if you don't have access to your email either, tap on the option that says Having Trouble and look for the option to verify using your phone number if one was linked to the account. Next up, if neither email nor phone number are available, scroll down and tap on Roblox Support to submit a help request directly. Moving on, fill in the support form with as much detail as possible. Your username, approximate account creation date, any previous passwords you remember, and any purchases or items you can recall on the account. From here, the more detail you provide, the better your chances of Roblox verifying your identity and recovering the account. Following this, submit the form and wait for a response from the Roblox support team. This can take a few days. Finally, keep in mind that adding an email and phone number to your account once recovered is strongly recommended, so you never lose access again. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Roblox tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.